name is Tahir Majid, and I am honored to be your Master of Ceremonies today. Welcome to the signing ceremony between Avanza Group and Premier Systems for Avanza Premier Payment Services, a name that will inshallah become synonymous with the e-commerce industry of Pakistan. Now, to start off the proceedings, I request Mr. Furqan to kindly come over and recite a few verses from the Holy Quran.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو عالم الغيب والشهادة هو الرحمن الرحيم هو الله الذي لا إله إلا هو الملك القدوس السلام المؤمن المهيمن العزيز الجبار المتكبر سبحان الله عما يشركون هو الله الخالق البارئ المصور له الأسماء الحسنى يسبح له ما في السماوات والأرض وهو العزيز الحكيم صدق الله العظيم.
Jazakallah, Mr. Furqan. Now, I'd like to invite Mr. Mahmood Kapoorwala and Mr. Arshad Raza to formally sign the Memorandum of Understanding for Avanza Premier Payment Services. This is a formal agreement between the two companies. If you could all look to either side of me for the unveiling of the Avanza Premier Payment Services logo. I'd like to talk a bit about Avanza Group. Avanza Group of Companies is an 18-plus-year-old technology powerhouse with over 300 employees in offices across Pakistan, the Middle East, and Africa. The group comprises of companies that focus on key sectors including banking, telecommunications, government, retail, and manufacturing. Avanza contributes to these industries with its state-of-the-art products that include advanced channel banking applications, customer experience management solutions, e-commerce and retail solutions, blockchain, RPA, AI, and smart city applications. Avanza is viewed as a thought leader in nascent technologies across the region and has won the admiration and confidence of not just customers, but also of industry partners such as NCR, Avaya, Microsoft, and IBM. I would now like to call the CEO of Avanza Group, Mr. Mahmood Kapoorwala, to come up on stage and say a few words.
like to welcome you all and thank you for participating with us in this event. As Tareen mentioned that Avanza is a 18-year-old company. We have been providing solutions, banking solutions related to transaction processing to almost all the banks in Pakistan, which help them achieve or get new customer base and multiply the transactions of cards and wallet. But unfortunately, with all these banking or core account transactions happening, unfortunately, the e-commerce business haven't grown the way it should have in Pakistan, like our neighbor countries, namely India and China. The total size of Pakistan retail market is around 210 billion US dollars. And out of this 210 billion US dollar, the e-commerce share is less than 5%, which is around $1 billion. And out of this $1 billion, only 10% transactions are done online, which is around 0.04% of the total market share. So you can see there is a huge gap in the total size of the market and the card-based transactions or online transactions. So we identified that gap and we have done some R&D and research on what are the reasons of this such a huge gap. We find out two major reasons for this gap. Number one, the most of the shops, small businesses, even school colleges does not have the required technology infrastructure and the skill set to operate e-commerce business. And number two, the financial institutions and the banks, with due apologies to the bankers who are sitting over here, they were mainly focused on transaction revenue rather than growing the market. So, and that's, they basically go to the merchant and says, we'll take 3% of your revenue and process your transaction, which turns out to be approximately 8 to 10% of the profit of that merchant. So merchant was not very keen to give 50% of their profit and just process the transaction, which by the way, they will get their money after 15 to, in some cases, 30 days. So based on these two problems, we developed our vision, and it was not only to do the transaction processing, but to grow e-commerce market in Pakistan and to provide end-to-end solution to all the merchants, starting from the website development, from order management to complaint registration, delivery management, and end-to-end solution. So that's something which we decided to do in our vision, and we know that Avanza would not be able to implement this vision alone. So Alhamdulillah, we partner up with Systems Limited, who not only share this vision with us, but I'm very pleased to say that they don't take this as another business venture. They consider this as a social responsibility as well to grow the e-commerce market of Pakistan. So I'd like to thank especially Raza and Abrar. I cannot see you. Abrar, okay. Abrar, both of them were instrumental in turning this dream into reality. So thank you, sir, both of you. As a Pakistani, it's a proud moment for me to part of this historical moment and apps, because apps will be the first Pakistani company which is backed by two Pakistani technology group with the mandate to grow e-commerce market of Pakistan. So I wish best of luck to apps and its team, and inshallah together we will change the face of financial industry of Pakistan. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Mahmood Kapoorwala, for your valuable insight. I'd like to talk about Premier now. Premier Systems is one of Pakistan's leading ICT infrastructure providers. Founded in 1993, they currently employ 135 plus IT professionals across 4 offices in Pakistan and the UAE. Their major focus is on hardware, software, and managed solutions. They are proud partners of renowned IT companies like Microsoft, HP, Cisco, Oracle, Juniper, VMware, and Vertiv. Their solutions cater to key industries such as telecom, banking, oil and gas, and defense. A strong believer in diversifying their product portfolio, Premier also established a partnership with world-renowned car manufacturers Audi to become the vehicle's sole importer, distributor, dealer, and service center operators across Pakistan, Sri Lanka, and Bangladesh. I would like to call the CEO of Premier Systems, Mr. Arshad Raza, to please come up on stage and say a few words.
Yes. I'm just here to say thank you to 3 individuals who has made it possible today. Very, very special thanks to Javed Wadud, who introduced both of us a year and a half back. And before that, we had a very, very casual hello, hi with me. And somehow he was the believer since day one that this partnership is workable. My second thanks to Sajid Farooqi, who is not here. Sajid is not here, who has been work as our consultant, and he has the one who has done a good mathematics for us for full 6 months. And very thankful to him. And the third, with a big applause to Mikhail, probably one of the only lawyers who like to things workable among the 2 partners without scaring them. I have not seen any lawyer who work out and try to find out a solution without threatening. So thank you, Mikhail, for drafting the finest agreement and being patient with us for almost 6-7 months. And we both carry the rich experience of more than 30 years. So I assured to our regulator, State Bank, and to all our partners and banks that this venture, there is nothing left, it cannot go wrong. And thank you again for being with us. That's it.
Thank you, Mr. Arshad Raza. I'd like to call Mr. Adnan Ali for his presentation on apps.
Before I start, I would like to thank the board of apps who have really given me this opportunity to work for this wonderful initiative. What we believe that this could really disrupt Pakistani e-commerce industry. Thank you, Mahmood. Thank you both, Ashad. Sometimes I get confused on that. So before joining APPS, I was working for banking industry. I worked in banking industry for around 16 years. I was EVP and the Chief Digital Officer with the Summit Bank. So, most of us already know that 90% of startups do fail worldwide. So, what is something that we within apps are so sure that we will not, inshallah, we will not be failed. So, what are the key elements what we are really working on so that we become the successful part of Pakistani e-commerce industry? So, I just like to share these key elements with you. To build any startup, very first thing you need to have is the team which has the capability to really execute that plan to develop that software and solution. The second important thing is business model, how that startup company is going to make money. Eventually at one point of time, if you have car and if you don't have petrol, whatever investment you raise, eventually one point of time it will be dried up. So you need to have a very, very solid business model to make money for our company, for the merchants. It is like an ecosystem on which whoever is joining us will be actually making and serving to the industry. Funding, we have raised $3.5 million. I hope I can really announce this. We have raised $3.5 million investment, which is actually the highest ever fintech investment in Pakistan. So thank you to the Premier Systems for of the biggest players. So that really proves this is the right time. We have 44 million users using internet for Pakistan. We have 35 million social media users. We have, State Bank has just issued PSO/PSP regulation, which allows fintech companies to establish initiatives like APPS. So I believe this is the right time and this is the best ever time. Big idea. The father of digital is Steve Jobs, as we all know that. So he used to say, stay hungry, stay foolish. So it's an e-commerce industry. So for this we have to be hungry and foolish. Though we are small, but what we aim, what we want to do for the industry, this is more than that. We really want to serve Pakistan industry, Pakistan people, Pakistan consumers. Right now, what is the problem we have? We want to pay bills. We send our riders or house keepers to the bank, just go and deposit the cash and pay my bill. I want to pay my children fee, but still I send my rider with my check or with my cash to the school specific branches to pay that bill. So we just want to create that system who could really resolve that problem. Many of us do have club memberships, but how we pay through check. So this is not really customer experience. People in this era want to have experience of WhatsApp, want to have experience of Uber Careem, through which you can do your need, you can perform your transaction within one single app with the best of the best customer experience and with the agility. Okay, so these what we believe are the key elements for any successful startup, and inshallah with the support of board I have, with the technology team I have, with the State Bank on the support, with the banking support and all the support, we will be inshallah, will be eventually transforming Pakistan industry. And now I'll be just running through what are key things we are doing within our apps. We will be State Bank regulated company. Through this PSO/PSP regulation, we will be getting a State Bank license. With this, we will be able to, provide the assurity to the merchants of Pakistan. What are the key things we will be doing within our company? As Mahmood said, we will be establishing e-commerce payment gateway, very own domestic payment gateway. All the settlements will be done within PKR and within the 2-3 days. Merchant onboarding and aggregation services. This really means that there are so many merchants. Right now we have 900,000 registered schools or business operators in Pakistan, and only 1025 are doing online business or digital business. So we really want to onboard them on our platform and want to aggregate them towards our ecosystem. We are becoming third-party service provider for UnionPay, which is one of the leading payment system companies in the world. I'll be covering that thing in the next slide as well. So these are the key 3 things which we will be doing for Pakistan e-commerce industry. What we do, this is the name of our domestic payment gateway, PayFast. I hope down the road you will be actually seeing this PayFast logo within your mobile app like Uber or Careem. By using this, you will be able to pay your school bills. One side, what we will do, you can see PayFast is just sitting in the middle. We will connect all banking industry. We will connect their bank accounts, their debit cards through this technology. And on the other hand, we will integrate school. We have already signed an MOU with the company which is providing 32 schools to PayFast, and this will be the highest ever school aggregation in the history of Pakistan. We will be adding billers, clubs, mutual fund companies. One side of it, merchant who sell things on social media or online websites, and marketplaces like Uber, Careem, Daraz. These are the big marketplaces. So we will just enable PayFast on these websites or marketplaces mobile app, and on other side the schools and billers, and customer will be residing on banking side, and by using PayFast, customer could register themselves and they can pay instantly by using PayFast service. Okay. This is something very important to us. This is something what we believe it is a sort of CSR activity. Right now, as I told you, there are more than 900,000 retailers in Pakistan. So what we want to do, at this point of time, what happens with them, they are doing traditional business in a brick and mortar. They feel convenient to open another store, pay some additional amount. For them to develop a shopping cart, website, to do a digital marketing, SEO, social media marketing, these are the technology terms and technology jargons for them. So what they do, they tend to stay to the brick and mortar. So what we want to do, we want to offer them free of cost shopping cart. We want to offer them integration with PayFest and international payment gateways. We want to offer them digital marketing. We want to offer them loyalty solution, call center for order booking and customer resolution and problem, and logistic and delivery service, and the data analytics. In this era, data is the asset actually. So what we want to offer, we really want to extend the Pakistan industry. We want to take this number from 1,000 to 10,000, and we just want to offer. There are so many. There are many Facebook pages which are doing online sales through Facebook page, but they don't go for shopping cart. So for them, these are technology things, and being Avanza and Premier Systems, our legacy is technology. So we want to transform that industry and disrupt that industry with our Smart Connect solution. I have Mr. Nadeem, country manager of UPI with us. I'd like to thank on behalf of ASH to him. This is CPEG era, this is China-Pakistan friendship era. So we have absolutely done. We are becoming third-party service provider of UPI, which is the fastest growing payment system industry in the world at this point of time. And we are really excited. And every new initiative of UPI in Pakistan will be actually made available for the entire industry by apps. We will be doing virtual card. What virtual card means, we have debit card, we have credit card. But with virtual card, you can have a number, you can have a CVV tool to do online transactions, but this card will not be a physical card. So you will be secure by using that card, and you won't be feeling, data theft is something which is in the mind of the people. So we will be issuing virtual card, a virtual PAN on the back of a customer account. We will be doing QR. You must have heard about Paytm in India, or Alibaba, or WeChat do in China. So you'll be, they'll be deploying QR codes, some sticker with your mobile app. You can really scan that code and do the payment real-time basis and instantly. So they have planned to install or deploy 100,000 plus QR codes within Pakistan. So we'll be inshallah partnering with them. Post emulation, card emulation is a new technology. Generally we say NFC, it's a tap and pay transaction. So what you can do with Android mobile phone, you can really use HCE model for tap and go. So Nadeem, we are really thankful for a company like us who just startup company, and when we sign this sort of TPSP arrangement, so this is really very big achievement for us. Anything else you want to ask, or you have something? Okay. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you, Mr. Adnan, for your thought-provoking session. The floor is now open for questions, if there are any.
I'm Usman Hanif from Tribune. Alipay is going to start its operations. I want to know the difference between you and Alipay of Alibaba.
We are competitor of Alipay in payment gateway side, but what is their business model, we will have to understand. They provide a complete ecosystem to the customer. They have already acquired Daraz, which means they will have their own marketplace. They have already bought a stake in EasyPaisa, so this means they will have customer backing with them, and eventually what I see or perceiving, they will buy another logistic company in Pakistan. So they will provide end-to-end solution, they will create their own ecosystem. What we are trying to do, we are trying to facilitate already existing players, banks of Pakistan, merchants of Pakistan, and one point of time Alipay could be our partner as well in the collaboration. Okay? Yes.
Fahim Patel, Dawn. یہ جتنی بھی باتیں کی آپ نے یقیناً ایک بہت پازیٹیو امپیکٹ ڈالے گی، لیکن اس ملک میں جو لوکل بزنس کرنے والوں کی بہت بڑی تعداد ہے.
ایک اویئرنیس کمپین چلائی جائے، آپ کو اس سے پازیٹیوز اور نیگیٹیوز کے بارے میں بتایا جائے تاکہ وہ جو بہت بڑا طبقہ اس سے محروم ہے وہ آپ کی طرف آیا اور آپ جو بھی آپ ان کو آفر کر رہے ہیں اسے اویل کریں.
جب ہم when we are breathing actually تو this is industry 4.0 the fourth industrial revolution اور digital age. تو ہم اگر آپ دیکھیں تو یہ ڈیجیٹل سروسز ہی پرووائڈ کر رہے ہیں کسٹمرز کو. تو جو مرچنٹس ہمارے ہیں اور جو ٹارگیٹ مارکیٹ ہے وہ زیادہ تر وہ لوگ ہیں جو کہ سوشل میڈیا کو ڈیجیٹل میڈیا کو یوز کرتے ہیں. تو ہم سب سے پہلے اپنی کمپنی کا ایک سوشل میڈیا پیج بنائیں گے لنکڈن پہ اور جو بھی پلیٹ فارمز فیس بک پہ. تو اس کے تھرو ہم وہ ویڈیوز ٹوٹوریلس اور بلاگس اور پرو پیک اور اس طریقے کی جو بھی ہمارے بلاگ سائٹس ہیں وہاں پر ہم کسٹمر کے لیے کمیونیکیشن ریلیز کر رہے ہوں گے. دوسرا جو ہمارا یو پی آئی کے ساتھ پارٹنرشپ ہم کر رہے ہیں اس کے بھی تھرو ہم بہت سارے ایسے ایونٹ کر رہے ہوں گے. ہم کسٹمر کے لیے باقاعدہ اسپیسیفکلی ہم نے ہر بینک ہر کسٹمر کے لیے اور ہر مرچنٹ کے لیے ہم ایسے پلان لے کے چل رہے ہیں جس کے تھرو ہم اویئرنیس کو کریٹ کریں گے. تو آپ کی بات بالکل ٹھیک ہے. تو ہمارے باقاعدہ ایسے پلیٹ فارمس ہوں گے جس کے تھرو ہم جو ہے وہ کسٹمر کو ایجوکیٹ کریں گے کہ سیکیورٹی کس طرح کرنی ہے، ٹرانزیکشنس کو کیسے پرفارم کرنا ہے. یوٹیوب پر ہم ایسی ویڈیوز اپلوڈ کر رہے ہوں گے جس کے تھرو وہ پورے جو ہے اینڈ ٹو اینڈ سولوشن کو بھی سمجھ سکیں گے اور ٹرانزیکشن کو بھی پرفارم کر سکیں گے. Anyone else? Please.
Assalamu alaikum. I just wanted to confirm, you said that you will bring on board all the shops and everything. And bringing on board these kind of shops, they are not normally filer of tax. So what benefit or what facilitation you will be giving to them, or what choti you have from board of APR, they will facilitate. Because if the documentation will be there, tax will gonna ask you or that other shopkeeper to show their working and become filer and everything. So what working you are doing on that?
Basically, as we have just started, so and we will be especially a PSO PSP company, which means a regulated company. So what we will have to do, we could just go to FBR or State Bank. We know there are few platforms which are working for consortium, which are working for industry of Pakistan. So at this point of time, we will be first focusing for those players who are really working in the industry, and we will just have to make them understand that if you do this transaction by using this platform, you are going to increase your sales. And by the time, of course, we are also a regulated company, so whatever business we would like to do, it has to be a proper wide business, or every transactions will be initiated from our systems. It will be AML regulated transactions, so they will have to pay tax. But I don't think I know some initiatives. Pasha and other companies already talking with FBR to facilitate these sort of online transactions and customers or merchants maybe. So right now I cannot say something that we will enforce or request FBR, but we will have to just seek their support for that regard.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Fatima Rahman from the News International. My question is that with the big sharks already in the market like Daraz, what are the few distinctive features of your app that would attract the users in the e-commerce market?
First of all, we will not be providing our own app. We are building a road or a big bridge through which Daraz, Uber, Careem, banks, all people can transact and they can just take their ride. So Daraz will be our partner in a sense. We will enable our payment gateway over Daraz, and customers, they can shop with the marketplace of Daraz and eventually make the payments by using their bank accounts. So we will eventually enable them to receive payments. Right now, as Mahmood said, we are hovering around $1 billion plus e-commerce industry, and 90% of them are COD, cash driven transactions, which means customers are doing online transactions, online shopping, but still they are not making online payments. So we will be enabling those online payments for the customers and for the marketplaces.
It reads, with faith, discipline, and selfless devotion to duty, there is nothing worthwhile that you cannot achieve. Thank you all for taking the time to be present at this signing. I would now like to close the ceremony and invite everyone for lunch. But before we do that, I'd like everyone from Avanza Group and Premier to come on stage for a group photo.